I've done some chazanas. I've done songs, melodies, and in the middle I shtup around a little bit of chazanas because like I said before, I love chazanas. But I'm not a chazan. I wouldn't do a full album of chazanas. It's not my forte. I love putting in a little shtickle here and there. But I feel that today, more than ever, I feel that music is a bridge. It's a connector. It's the best medicine today. And there's so much of a balagan going on today with people being confused and they need direction and they need chizuk, and it's a crazy world out there. And I feel music is the best way, the best medicine to keep people focused, keep people inspired, happy, and it's a very humbling zuchus, a very humbling merit to be able to do that. And over the years, you can imagine, Herschel, that I've gotten many, letters and responses from people who tell me what this song or this particular song did to them and how it changed their lives, gave them chizuk, got them through a tough time. Or even a Jew who's perfectly healthy and he's driving in his car, going to a big business meeting, and he hears a song that makes him feel good. It's also a great accomplishment, So it's very humbling. I look at it as a mission. And like I said, I pray to God that He continues to give me koyach and the right seichel to keep bringing out music that inspires and uplifts. And hopefully, I want to sing the song that, okay, we made it, Mashiach has come, because that's my main topic. Getting out of Golus and greeting Mashiach. That seems to be my passion. Mm-hmm. Someone said to me, most of your songs are about Golus, goodbye Golus. And Mashiach comes, you're going to be out of a job. What are you going to do? Once Golus is finished, what are you going to do? So I'll manage. Don't worry about it. Let him come.